Alright guys, and welcome back to today's video from Farmer Scoobs. Fresh back off my AI training and we're straight back into the thick of it. Today is Wednesday. I had planned on thinking that if today was dry we might get some grass on the ground, but it definitely has not panned out that way. It rained so much last night, we're literally just wading through the fields. So my job today now is to bring in the Charlies and we're going to bring across the Herefords into another paddock. The half in this place ate down. But what I'm hoping to do is to bring them across into another paddock, let them eat there for a week and then bring them back across the road. The main reason I want to bring them across today also is I want to bring them all into the yard because I want to worm our calves. So I'm just going to give them an oral drench down the neck. Some of them are coughing. I'm just going to give them a chance. And now I have no wellies on at the minute. I'm in my trainers, my white trainers. Someone commented on before that yes, I'm a white trainer farmer. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to close up these gates and it'll just give them, I'll call them down and hopefully they might just run across the road for me. They normally do when they have an idea that or a sense that they're going to get some fresh grass, they'll come running. And yeah, they're already looking at me, they know that I'm going to do something with gates. So they should come down fairly lively. Come across the road. My only biggest concern is that the calves, some of the calves do have a tendency to go in behind this gate here when it's open back, because it doesn't open out onto the road. They do have a tendency to go in behind it, which then they're stuck and they don't want to cross. But we're going to give it a go anyway. I'm going to set up one of my GoPros and have it record, and hopefully they'll just cross over the road with no issues. Alright guys, we'll catch you in a few. Happy days, all crossed over, nice and handy. It is absolutely sopping wet in here. As you can see with this lad down here, he's not thriving as well. Now his mother isn't the greatest milkers, but he should be doing a small bit better than what he's doing. 115's calf, which is that lad going up there, biggest Charlie bull calf that's in it. He's coughing a small bit, and so are the two heifers, which is one there and the other one over here. They're also coughing a small bit as well. The limousines seem to be doing okay. They don't appear to be doing a whole pile of coughing, but I'm going to do them anyway. No point in doing one without doing the other. By right, I should have dosed them coming out of here, but it's not going to make a whole pile of difference anyway. I'm going to only dose them and leave them in here for a week. And then they're going to go back across here and they're going to trim that down to the right, to the butt. And then they're going to go back out to our field where we made our first cut silage in to graze that off before the winter time. And then they'll have one run in here before they go back into the house then for the winter time. That'll be pretty much it then, I think, for the winter. I'm going to get the wellies on and get the rain gear on and get the quad bike sorted out. And set up a couple of pins so that I can get them ran into the yard. I know I have 2 doors to fix down there. I'm not going to get them done today. My main concern now is just getting these calves dosed. So I'm just going to close up the doors as best can without them falling over and get them brought in and get them separated. I'm hoping just to get the 10 of them into the crush all in one go. If I can, good and well. If not, we'll just have to do them in 2 batches, but we'll just see how it goes. Guys, look, I'll bring you back in when we're getting them into the yard to get them separated. level last diamond is the oral drench that we're going to be given. So I'm going to do them all for the same weight, even though some of them might be a small bit lighter than others. I'm going to do them all for 200 kg, which is a bit ahead of myself, but to have them overdone than underdone. And that's it. It's a simple job, but when done right and without a fuss, it's effective. I'm happy now that that's done, because I have that little shaggy calf there at the front is definitely lacking in something now. I know his mother hasn't got a whole pint of milk, which is, I suppose, coming down to the time of year. He's not thriving on as well as he should be, and I think it's down to this. So yeah, they're all puffing, even the limousines are puffing as well.
You should have the beacons on. It's a necessity.